Hi, I'm Simon. Let's play a game. If I tell you to do something, you must follow my directions. Remember, only do the things that I tell you to do. Simon says, raise your hand. Did you do that? Great. Simon says, point to a door. Simon says, tell your neighbor or someone in your house, hello. Simon says, tap your foot 3 times. Turn around and look behind you. Did I catch you? Simon did not say to turn around and look behind you. Stand up and turn around 1 time. Did I catch you again? Simon says lay your head on your table. Stand up. Did I catch you again, or were you listening? Simon says put your hand on your head. Simon says take turns talking about why it's important to follow directions. If you're at home, tell someone in your house why it's important to follow directions at school. Now we're going to do beginning sound. You're going to tell me the sound, not the letter name, but the sound you hear at the beginning of these words. Man. Sit. What sound do you hear at the beginning of sit? Did you say s? How about fish? F. Run. Map. Log. Oh. Our new word this week is like. Say the word. Spell the word. L-I-K-E, like. Read the word again. Like. What game do you like to play? These are some games that I like to play. Tic-tac-toe, Connect 4, and Go Fish. Use the sentence, I like to play. This is the end of your PowerPoint lesson. Now go finish your work.